That little kitty wants to go for a walk. That little kitty wants to go for a walk. Come on. Oh. Get off the grass. Get off the grass. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Hello. Oh. Get off the grass. Get off the grass. Get off the grass. Get off the grass. Good girl. Oh, two little kitties. I see you, pretty girl. Hello. Stop walking on the grass. You know you're not supposed to. I know it's not grass. You're not supposed to walk on that. What you doing? That's a pretty girl. What? Get off the grass. Get off the grass. You're not supposed to go on that grass. I don't care if it's dirt, grass, whatever. Danger. Look at two little kitties. Look at my two little kitties. Kind of raining a little still, guys. Hey, little one. What you doing there? Found your little spot, huh? Right under the picnic table. Yeah. I'm not a silly girl. I'm not gonna get wet. Don't you go on that grass. Get off the dirt. Do I have to say dirt now, too? Now that's what I wanted. Picture of both of you looking at me. Roses. Pretty girl. What do you see in there? What do you see in there? Don't you do it. There's no squirrel. Mysti Blu. Don't you go on that grass. Good girl. Mysti Blu, no. I said no. Get back here. No, 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 no. Come. 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 Oh, I said no. Come. Come. One. No. Come. Get off the grass. Come. Thank you. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. I'm sorry I yelled at you, but it's dangerous. You don't go on the grass unless you're chasing a squirrel off the property or chasing a kitty cat off the property. And I think there's a third reason, but I can't think of what it is. Those are the two primary reasons. You kitty. Okay, come on, pronto. Come on, pronto. Come on, up. Pronto. Pronto. Come on, little one. Come on. Uppity up. Uppity up. Starting to rain.